All right, so same day, we doing an unboxing. This is still iPhone day. It's not midnight yet, man, so it's still iPhone day. But by the time this video comes out, it might not be iPhone day. Same day, a few drinks later. But we get into it, man. So I couldn't go to sleep without unboxing the iPhone 13. Now, if you paid attention to the channel, we do have the big bro here. We have the iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold 256. I unboxed that, man, so I'll be sure to link that video above and below. But your boy does also have the Starlight iPhone 13. Now, I'm hype about this because I never owned a 12. I did own a 12 mini for a very short period of time, so I'm curious to see about this 6.1 size because I'm really drawn to the smaller size. I like the big one because I love all the battery life, but I'm gonna rock with this one as well. So we're gonna see what it's hitting on. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Like I said, iPhone 13 Starlight, 128 gigs. Let's go ahead and get in the packaging. So, you know, we got those little pull tabs this time, you know, no classic Apple plastic. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm curious to see this color and to see what it looks like. So, ooh, this is clean, yo, right here. So here it is, and we don't gotta talk about what's not in the box. We know there's no chargers in the box. We ain't really gotta talk about it like that. But let's just sit for a moment and let's get that out of my way. That's distracting. Let's just take a look at that black, that back Starlight color for the iPhone 13. Now, one thing that I wish that the Pro models will get together is the matte sides. We don't want these, and I'm rocking a case right here. Shout out to Pataka. I'm rocking a case, but we don't want these shiny sides right here, man. We need all matte everything, and that's what they did when it comes to the 13. So let's go ahead and peel. Boom. There it is, man. Super, super fresh, yo. So here it is. iPhone 13. This looks really good. This feels really good. As you can see the differences, man. You get that 2 camera setup here on the back, and those cameras this year are just big as I don't know what. Now, when looking at this color on the back, this looks like, from the naked eye, it's just going to look white. All right, it's just going to initially look like a white phone, but the more you look at it and the more the light bounces off of it, you see a little bit of beige. You see in the sides right here, it's kind of like a hint of gold almost. This is a real unique color, man. Apple did such a good job this year when it comes to their colors, and this one is definitely a unique color as well, man. So very nice, man. Let's get up close on it. Let's get up close real quick. So as you can see, man, there it is when it comes to that Starlight iPhone 13, and that's it, just the iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. You know how everybody always says, let's see if we got a little bit of juice. You know you got some charge, man. You know you got charge when it comes to that. Now, one thing that I do want to see is if you can tell the big difference, because we already know when it comes to the Pro Maxes, they are rocking that 120 hertz. So I am curious to see if you'll be able to tell a big difference. So here it is, greeting with that hello screen. So real quick, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go through the setup process. We're going to go ahead and get it all set up, and then we're going to come back, and I just want to see if we can truly tell the difference between non-120 hertz and 120 hertz. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be right back once I get this all set up. All right, so I finally got it all set up. iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13, and I want to see if we are able to tell the difference between the 120 hertz. And let me swipe here, swipe, swipe, swipe. Yeah, you can tell a little bit. I feel like you can tell just a little bit, not a huge amount, but that's not about the 120 hertz, man. This is about the iPhone 12. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing right here, and let me put my code in. This feels good. This is a perfect phone for anybody out there that's wanting an iPhone. The form factor is just good. Screen looks absolutely beautiful. I love that background. I know this is like an iPhone background, but this looks really, really good when it comes to this. I really enjoy the smaller form factor. I'm curious to see what the battery of this is compared to the 13 Pro Max. But yeah, I like that color, man. This is going to be the Starlight color. And this, let's just compare it real quick, just for giggles real quick. Let's just see. And let me get the case up off this 12 Pro Max. And it's up here good. So let's go ahead and get the case off this bad boy real quick. And then let's go ahead and show you the difference between the gold and the Starlight. So you might be able to tell a little bit of difference when you look at these two colors. That's going to give you that more of a gold color, and this is going to give you that more of a white color. But when you look at the back, I feel like the bezels has that little hint of the same kind of goldish color right here. And here's that screen size. That's going to be that difference between that 6.1 and that 6.7 inch screen. So overall, man, like I said, I just wanted to hit you guys with this quick unboxing just to show you the Starlight iPhone 13. We'll be getting to this one as well, just as much as we'll be getting to the 13 Pro Max. Of course, the main SIM card is in the Pro Max, but I think week after week, I'll probably switch, put it in this one, next week, put it back in the Pro Max, so we can talk about both of these and just see how they do, man. That's it, man. Starlight iPhone 13. You already know what to do, man. Do the YouTube things. Hit that sub button, comment down below. You already know I'm deep in the comment section. Hit that sub button and turn that bell on, man. So you know we get into plenty of videos when it's coming to the iPhone 13. When it comes to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I got a floor full of cases, and we're going to go ahead and get into them, man. Everyone be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.